Umami is a sixth sense to a taste. For a bland salad to become addictive, here is my vegan tofu mayo. Let's start by placing our silken tofu into the mixing bowl, followed by Dijon mustard, nutritional yeast, black pepper, sprinkle around it, lime juice or lemon juice, and honey. Now you can place more honey if you would like to have a little bit sweeter mayo. This is based on your preference, and salt too, so it depends on what your family's like is, how salty you want your salad dressing to be. Cover with lid and we will be blending it to create a very smooth paste. So we'll be blending it at 30 seconds speed 4. Look at that. So it's well blended, but we must take off all that's stuck on the lid and then scrape down all that is stuck to our mixing bowl. I like it to bring it down all the way down so that when we are emulsifying later, everything gets mixed up. Look at that. That's the texture I want. Right now, we are going to emulsify with oil. So we're going to use about 4 minutes, speed 3. And at this stage, I want you to gently pour the oil. It has to be drop by drop so that it is blending into the sauce. We are creating a sauce and we want it to emulsify. And therefore, drip by drip, if it gets in, it blends very well and forms a very nice creamy texture. So keep on, just do it gently at this stage and allow the sauce to be emulsified. Mix so well that you do not even see a drop of oil even after a day that is kept in your fridge. So this is the texture that I'm looking for. And this is how creamy and thick it looks. This goes directly to my Instagram. This is one good finger licking dressing.